Look what we got here today. This is my GTR Rabbit from Diatone 2018. I'm running the F4 flight controller in here with a Crossfire Nano system for that smooth, nice feeling. Got that race line. Took it out on the maiden today. I'm very impressed with it. Speed is up there. I've got the 50-51 HQs on at the moment. Very aggressive prop on 4S. But yeah, it can also take a 6-inch prop up here if you really want to try that 6-inch speed. But other than that, it's a very strong and sturdy race frame. I'm really enjoying it. So far I've only had a couple of flights with it. I've taken the flight controller off stock and put it up to the new firmware 3.5. My friend Mike Morris, he helped me do that, which was good, and testing it today. You can see the DVR shortly. But yeah, I'm really liking it with the good video system and everything. I've tucked down my axe to the side here, so you can't even really notice that it's got an antenna on it for the video anymore, and keeps it nice and low profile, and also still penetrates well enough to get through the trees and stuff around here at home. But yeah, so far it's a really neat clean build out of the box. I mean, all you have to add is your receiver and your antenna of choice, and then basically your props. Well, they even send you your props and an antenna in the box if you like that stock sort of look. But yeah, it's got the good buzzer and the twin caps, a couple of LEDs on the back, a nice run cam, very solid. Yeah, and you're looking at, you know, about 320 grams brand new, like sort of out of the box sort of thing. So you're looking at quite a lightweight racer just ready to go. One thing I noticed when I had my first battery through it, I popped it up and it just jumped, you know, like you're used to a quad jumping a little bit, but yeah, you're just a first initial boost off the line, she just pops up and then she's, you know, can jump a good 10 meters in the sky instantly with a little tap of the throttle. So it's something I've got to get used to with these really lightweight racing quads with no GoPro on it and stuff like that, because I like my Acro, I like my GoPro, so I can get a bit of recording on my HD footage. But yeah, another thing is it's got the holes already fitted for the 2020 stack, which is what I was thinking. One of these GTRs would be quite a nice frame, built ultra light with a 2020 stack in there as well, and maybe some little bit less aggressive motors and the weight there. These ones are the 2306 2450 kV, so they're still plenty powerful, mate. Like this is, you don't, if you're going to start putting bigger motors on this sort of thing, you're just going to be having too much power, and it's going to be going the other way. It's going to be inefficient, I think. But yeah, I look forward to some more packs through this thing soon. But yeah, there's the GTR Rabbit. It's a very beautiful frame, nice and sturdy, well built, well done Diatone. Looks like a